Hey everybody, this is Scott with another day in the life, and what I'm going to do today is I'm going to install a arcctv camera for surveillance on our driveway and around our house, and I thought I'd bring you along and let you see what all I do. Then one last thing, it was that easy. You got to download the app, and then it's a step-by-step process about connecting the Wi-Fi and the camera to your phone, and then it's all from there. And it comes in a box like this with two. I'll show you real there. You see the box that it came in, and it's the arcctv cameras, and they are very good. Have a good day.